both online and offline. So I have a red rug instead of a Pink Fridays. Then like a tongue twister at this point. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. And if you're already part of the family, then hello again. So I recently started making videos on fashion and lifestyle, and I'm quite enjoying it. And if you're enjoying watching me, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, this time I shopped from Black Friday sale instead of Pink Friday sale, if you know what I mean. Ta-da! I got products from both offline and online, and I thought of updating you guys here. The main reason I shopped from in-store was my sister gave me a gift card months ago for my birthday, and I didn't use it this entire time just to use it now during the sale. And people tell me I don't have financial responsibility. Well, whoever said that, you can please watch this video as a proof. Anyway, starting off with the in-store products. So starting off with my Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. My Estee Lauder one is about to be completed, and when I went to the store, I tried this and oh my god, this shade is so good. It exactly matches my skin and it literally blends like butter. But also, I actually tried this only because of the packaging, because it is pink, it is adorable, and I really love the packaging so much. But also it has hyaluronic acid and also oil free, and it stays for super long and is non-comedogenic, and I don't think there's any other concealer that gives these many benefits, so full marks for that. What else do we want from a concealer? Second, we have this Benefit Cosmetics Plush Tint in the shade Snuggle Up. Initially, I wasn't even looking for the tints, but this one right here doesn't even feel like a tint. It is very moisturizing, very lightweight, and is also water resistant. The beauty professional there understood what exactly I was looking for and handed me over this. I was like, no to the tints and stuff, but he was like, just try it. And I immediately fell in love after trying it. Then I picked up this MAC matte lipstick in the shade Go Retro. I will forever be a MAC lipstick loyalist. I used to have the Ruby Woo matte lipstick, and I really wanted to try some brown nude shade, and this right here is the perfect brown shade. This is so flattering on my lips. If you are shade twins, then just go get yourself this one. Trust me, this will be your forever go-to lipstick because it has been mine since the day I got it. Now, the freebies. This is the reason why I tell offline shopping always wins. Because who would have thought they would get Bobbi Brown mascara and shadow stick as a freebie? This literally proves God loves me, because I've been wanting to try this Bobbi Brown shadow sticks for a very long time now. Who would have thought that shadow sticks can come as a freebie? You gotta believe it, come on. I am now moving on to online shopping. Hold your excitement because you're gonna love this. Even got the blade in pink. First, we have this Olaplex number 4 and number 5. This combo usually retails for 6,150, but after adding coupons and the bank offers, I just got it for 3,900 change. I've already tried Kerastase. Honestly, I love it, but I really wanted a change in shampoo, so I got the Olaplex one, and it's Olaplex time to impress me because it's sulfate free, helps in strengthening, and also helps in reducing the breakage. So basically, it's a rehabilitation center for hair, which I really need. Next, I have this Laneige Milk Toner refill. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but anyway, I already have the bottle with me. I just wanted the refill, so I got that, and it's absolutely amazing because it is refreshing, it is very hydrating also, and I really love the milk toner from it. I already have the bottle because I've been using it from a year now, and this time I also got the mist pump with it because honestly, I don't know if it's just me or is there anyone else facing this, but I don't know. I am not really comfortable using the Laneige bottle. I don't know how to explain it also, but it kind of leaks sometimes. So I got the mist pump with it. Honestly, I feel like it'll be very easier to use instead of just, you get it right. So yeah, let's hope that. And And then I don't even know why I waited this long to get this pack basic beginner friendly brush kit. If you all know me, you also know that I'm just a beginner in makeup, or if you would have watched my previous video, you would have understood that I'm just a beginner in makeup. So I've been using my fingers to blend the concealer, foundation, and stuff. But this time, I got these brushes to level up my makeup game. So wish me luck. And yes, round two of freebies, aka happiness in a sample form. Who wouldn't love a good set of samples as freebies? It's really disappointing. Now, this part is actually going to make you scream. Carolina Herrera Good Girl EDP perfume, L'Occitane Shea lotion. This has been in my wish list for so long, and this actually proves God loves me again because some way or the other, I just got what I wanted. Forever 52 foundation, pack a retro matte mini lipstick, Laneige sleeping mask, Nivea SPF, Lancome serum, Nexus Repair Oil serum, and to hold all of this goodness, we have Tira Red pouch. At this point, freebies are my love language. And that's a wrap. This haul has my heart. And if you also have enjoyed this haul, please do like, share, and subscribe. And whole excitement still because we have Sephora US haul coming up next. So, yeah, bye guys. See you in the next video.